AI is helping teams ship more code across more surfaces and even faster than before. But speed only matters when teams can trust what ships. GitHub Code Quality is now generally available. Today, we're making small, diagnostic improvements into our API. The change builds, but it introduces a subtle reliability issue that can fail at runtime. The format string references placeholders 0 and 2, but only 2 values are supplied, indexes 0 and 1. At runtime, that can throw a formatting exception. GitHub Code Quality catches this with CodeQL and flags it directly on the changed pull request lines. This is classified as a reliability error with a clear explanation and a concrete correction. The developer stays in context, and the fix becomes the unit of work. Copilot Autofix proposes the correction in the same pull request. I can inspect it, adjust it if needed, and commit it directly. Nothing is auto-applied or auto-merged, allowing the developer to stay in control. Rule sets enforce this quality standard at the merge boundary before code ships. After the fix, code quality runs again, the finding is resolved, and the pull request can move forward. Pull request checks prevent new issues from entering into our code bases. Repository-level views help teams prioritize existing reliability and maintainability work across their code bases and track progress over time. Code Quality combines deterministic CodeQL analysis with separate AI-assisted findings, which are clearly labeled so teams know how each result was produced. From pull request to the organizational view, GitHub Code Quality gives developers and engineering leaders a shared view of software health. Code Quality is the enforcement layer for AI-era software development. Catch it earlier, fix it in context, enforce it before merge.